Bananas. We often grab them without a second thought. This fruit, a common sight in our kitchens, has journeyed across continents to reach us. But how much do we really know about where our bananas come from? This essay explores the fascinating world of banana production. It's a story of nature, hard work and global trade. We'll uncover the journey of the banana, from its tropical origins to our local grocery stores. This isn't just about the banana as a fruit, it's about the entire journey it takes from the plantation to your table. We'll delve into the intricate system that brings it to our tables. From the moment a banana is harvested, a complex network of processes ensures it reaches you in perfect condition. Prepare to learn about the ideal environments for banana cultivation. Bananas thrive in tropical climates where the temperature, humidity and soil conditions are just right. We'll see how farmers nurture these plants from their earliest stages. It all starts with planting the saplings, which require careful attention and regular watering to grow strong and healthy. The journey doesn't end there. Once the bananas are mature, they are carefully harvested by skilled farmers who know exactly when the fruit is at its peak. We'll follow the bananas as they are harvested, transported and prepared for sale. This involves a coordinated effort to move the bananas from the fields to processing facilities and then onto trucks or ships for distribution. This includes understanding the ripening process and the careful sorting that ensures quality. Bananas are often transported while still green and are ripened in special rooms to ensure they reach the perfect stage of ripeness. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this everyday fruit. From the hard work of the farmers to the sophisticated logistics that bring bananas to your local store, every step is crucial in delivering this delicious and nutritious fruit to you. So next time you enjoy a banana, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. It's more than just a snack. It's a testament to the dedication and effort of countless individuals. Bananas are not only a tasty treat, but also a source of essential nutrients. They provide you with vitamins, minerals and energy, making them a perfect addition to any diet. And let's not forget their versatility in the kitchen. Bananas can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies and banana bread to fruit salads and more. As we wrap up our journey, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and effort behind every banana. It's a story of nature, hard work, and the interconnected world we live in. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the banana's journey. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for this remarkable fruit. Bananas thrive in warm tropical climates. Think hot days, humid air, and plenty of rainfall. These conditions are vital for the plant's growth, but climate alone isn't enough. The soil plays a crucial role too. It needs to be rich in nutrients, well-drained, and slightly acidic. Farmers prepare the soil carefully, often adding fertilizer to provide the best nourishment for the plants. Once the soil is ready, it's time to plant. Banana plants are not actually trees. Despite their towering height and tree-like appearance, they belong to the herbaceous group of plants. This means they do not have a woody stem like true trees. Instead, their structure is supported by tightly packed leaf bases that form a pseudo-stem. They are giant herbs with large leaves that fan out from a central stem. These leaves can grow up to 9 feet long and 2 feet wide, creating a lush tropical canopy. The central stem, often mistaken for a trunk, is actually a collection of leaf stalks that provide the necessary support for the plant. New plants sprout from rhizomes, the underground stems of the parent plant. These rhizomes store nutrients and energy, allowing the banana plant to propagate and spread. When conditions are favorable, new shoots, known as suckers, emerge from the rhizomes and grow into mature plants. This ensures a continuous cycle of growth. As older plants reach the end of their fruiting cycle, new plants are already well on their way to maturity. This perpetual cycle allows banana plantations to remain productive year-round, providing a steady supply of bananas. It takes about 9 to 12 months for a banana plant to produce fruit. During this time, the plant undergoes several stages of growth, from the initial sprouting of the sucker to the development of the flower, and finally, the formation of the fruit. The flowers eventually develop into bunches of bananas, known as hams. Each flower cluster or inflorescence can produce multiple hands, which are arranged in tiers along the central stem. The transformation from flower to fruit is a fascinating process, driven by the plant's intricate reproductive system. Each hand contains 10 to 20 individual bananas called fingers. These fingers grow in a curved shape, a result of the plant's unique growth pattern known as negative geotropism, where the fruit grows upwards against gravity. The entire bunch, made up of several hands, is protected by a thick, waxy covering. This natural coating helps to shield the developing fruit from pests and environmental damage, ensuring that the bananas reach maturity in optimal condition. Once the bananas are fully grown, they are harvested and prepared for distribution, continuing the cycle of growth and renewal. Harvesting bananas is a delicate process. It requires a lot of skill and precision to ensure that the fruit remains in perfect condition. The process begins early in the morning when the temperatures are cooler, making it easier for the workers to handle the heavy bunches. Workers use sharp knives to carefully cut the bunches from the plant. These knives are specially designed to make clean cuts, minimizing damage to the bananas. Each cut must be precise to avoid harming the plant, which will produce more fruit in the future. The bunches are heavy, so they must be lowered gently to avoid bruising the fruit. Bruised bananas are less appealing to consumers and can spoil more quickly. Therefore, workers take great care in handling each bunch, often working in pairs to distribute the weight evenly. This is often done with the help of ropes or pulleys. These tools make it easier to control the descent of the heavy bunches, reducing the risk of dropping them. The use of ropes and pulleys is especially important in larger plantations where the trees can be quite tall. Once on the ground, the bunches are inspected for quality. Workers look for signs of damage, disease, or overripeness. Only the best bananas are selected for packing, ensuring that consumers receive high-quality fruit. Any damaged or diseased fruit is removed. This step is crucial to prevent the spread of disease and to maintain the overall quality of the harvest. Workers are trained to identify various types of damage and disease, ensuring that only the healthiest bananas make it to the packing stations. The remaining bananas are then transported to nearby packing stations, ready for the next stage of their journey. These stations are equipped with facilities to wash, sort, and pack the bananas, preparing them for shipment to markets around the world. The journey from tree to crate is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers and workers who ensure that we have access to fresh, delicious bananas. Bananas are harvested green and unripe. This is to prevent them from becoming overripe during transportation. They are loaded onto trucks, often refrigerated, and transported to specialized ripening facilities. At the ripening facility, the bananas are exposed to ethylene gas. This naturally occurring gas triggers the ripening process. The bananas gradually turn yellow, their starches converting to sugars. The process is carefully controlled to ensure the bananas ripen evenly. Once ripe, the bananas undergo a series of processes to prepare them for supermarkets. They are first sorted by size and quality. Any remaining damaged or blemished fruit is removed. The bananas are then washed and cleaned, removing any dirt or debris. Finally, they are packed into boxes or crates, often lined with protective padding. These packages are designed to keep the bananas safe during their final journey to stores. The final stage of the bananas journey is distribution. Crates of ripe bananas are loaded onto trucks, trains or ships, depending on their final destination. This is a complex logistical operation requiring careful coordination to ensure the bananas arrive fresh and on time. Bananas are shipped all over the world, from tropical plantations to supermarkets in every corner of the globe. This global trade network ensures that we can enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit year-round. The next time you peel a banana, take a moment to consider its journey. It's a story that spans continents, from the sun-drenched fields where it grew to the local store where you purchased it. We've seen the careful cultivation, the delicate harvesting, and the intricate processes that bring this fruit to our tables. It's a testament to the hard work of countless individuals and a reminder of the interconnected nature of our global food system.